2012.
Asia Vision Movie Awards 2012 ഞങ്ങളുടെ അടുത്ത കാറ്റഗറി is JPD Perfumes Excellence in Hindi. ഈ അവാർഡിൽ നമ്മൾ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത് ഹിന്ദി സിനിമകൾ നമ്മൾ എല്ലാവരും കാണാറുണ്ട്, but a film that represents real issues, bold themes. അതിന്റെ കൂടെ തന്നെ talks about relevant things. പല സിനിമ പ്രവർത്തകരും അങ്ങനത്തെ സിനിമകൾ എടുക്കാൻ മടിക്കുന്ന, കമേഴ്ഷ്യൽ മാർക്കറ്റ് മാത്രം നോക്കി പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്ന ഈ ഒരു കാലത്ത് to do something a bit different and walking a path that's not the ordinary one is always an extremely brave move. അങ്ങനെ വളരെ brave ആയി അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട സിനിമകൾ ഡയറക്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത ഒരു വ്യക്തിക്കാണ് എക്സലൻസ് ഇൻ ഹിന്ദി കാറ്റഗറിയിൽ അവാർഡ് ലഭിക്കുന്നത്. നമ്മൾ കണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന സിനിമകളാണ് ഇദ്ദേഹം മുമ്പ് ചെയ്ത മൈ ബ്രദർ നിഖിൽ, ബസ് ഏക് പൽ, സോറി ബായ്, and the latest one that he can add to his very proud repertoire of films is I Am. Ladies and gentlemen, with a loud round of applause, let's welcome director Oneer.
Award Excellence in Hindi Cinema Creative goes to Oneer.
It's a very, very special moment for me today out here. I remember the journey of I Am started with the Best Film Award at the Kerala Film Festival for the Best in Asian Cinema. So I think Kerala and Malayalam cinema has always been very supportive, and this is again special. And coming from the Malayalam film industry, which produces some of the best films of the country, is very, very special. Thank you so much. Thank you to all the 400 people all across the world who co-produced this film. And very proud that two of them are sitting here today, Rahul Datta and Karishma. Thank you so much for supporting the film and being a part of the film. Thank you so much.
Moving on, Asia Vision Movie Awards 2012 അടുത്ത കാറ്റഗറി Electa Audio Video and Home Appliances Excellence in Hindi Cinema. എനിക്ക് ആക്ച്വലി വളരെ സന്തോഷമുണ്ട് ഇതിന്റെ വിജയം അനൗൺസ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിൽ, ബിക്കോസ് when I was like in school, ഞാൻ സ്കൂളിൽ പഠിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരുന്ന കാലത്ത് I think it was this actress's films that actually brightened up our lives. ഈ ആക്ട്രസിന്റെ സിനിമ കണ്ടാൽ she says it's okay to be naughty, it's okay to be playful, it's okay to do, you know, nakra vakra, but whatever happens, she's a brilliant, brilliant actress. The first film that comes into my head is Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak. Who can forget the Romeo and Juliet adaptation that these two wonderful actors presented before us? Adu matralla, actually, because I've seen so many of her movies, there's Ishq, there's Yes Boss, Phir Bhi Dil Hai Hindustani, and so many more. But that's not it. That's on one side. And then there was this whole parallel artistic films and the Namal Visheshapikina genre as well that she handled. But today, ladies and gentlemen, she's here to receive an award for Electa Audio Video and Home Appliances Excellence in Hindi for the movie that was directed by the winner, Oneer. And, well, it is for I Am, and she is none other than the beautiful Juhi Chawla.
Award for Excellence in Hindi Cinema goes to Juhi Chawla.
Namaskaram. You've been handling the show beautifully, but I'm getting a little scared of you.
Why?
You won't scold me, na?
Nah.
I'll talk a little.
Sure.
Okay. I'm very, very happy to be here. ഇവിടെ വന്നിട്ട് നല്ല സന്തോഷം. And I really mean it. First of all, I would like to congratulate Asia Vision Awards because this entire event has been so beautifully arranged. I'm very impressed. Then it is wonderful to see such a huge audience all the way here in Sharjah. So very, very happy to meet you tonight. And then I want to say that it was such a pleasure to walk in here tonight, because I have done close to 100 films in Hindi and many languages, but in all my career, I could do just one in Malayalam, and it was very special, Hari Krishnan, and I was so happy to meet Mohan Lalji here tonight, and I have very wonderful memories of working with him. He used to try and help me with my Malayalam dialogues. He used to show us magic tricks. He is so talented, and then tonight I saw him even singing up there. Mohan Lalji, it's been such a pleasure to know you. Then I meet Revati ji. I want to tell you what a huge fan I have been of Revati ji. She was so cute on screen, and when she did these wonderful films, and then they would want to make it remake it in Hindi, and then they'd offer it to me. And I'd watch you with so much love because you were so cute on screen. And then I have an association of her in Hari Krishnan. I have to tell you, one day she came to our shooting at Hari Krishnan in Chennai. And I was so in awe of her. All day I'd been learning my Malayalam dialogues. There she comes, and Fazal sir, she knows the whole unit, and they say, come, come, watch shooting. And she comes and stands next to the camera, and my shot is, I have to walk into the camera and say all my lines. Seeing her over there next to the camera, I forgot all my dialogues. So, it was lovely to meet you here. And then, Fazal sir, with whom I want to tell you that 2-3 months we shot for the film, and it was such a pleasant time that on the last day when I went to say goodbye to the unit and I went to meet Fazal sir, I actually had 2 little teardrops because I was going to miss the whole experience. And today when I come here, I'm so happy to hear that Fahad Fazal, one of the superstars of Malayalam film industry, happens to be his son. Many congratulations. And who else do I meet here? Khushbu. Khushbu, we have done films, well, sort of in the beginning of our career in Hindi, then again in Kannada, I meet her. And then, of course, she's a huge superstar down south, and it was lovely to meet her again tonight. And then Shruti Hassan, daughter of Kamal Hassan ji. We've all been fans of your father, and my very best wishes to you and to all the young upcoming artists of the Indian film industry. Lovely, lovely to be here with you, and all my best wishes. And thank you for giving us the award for I Am. It has been a pleasure to work with Onir. I've been working with him in My Brother Nikhil, then in Bas Ek Pal, and now in I Am, and he gets the national award for the film. He gets lots of awards for all his films, but he never makes any money, and he never pays his artists like me. So I'm hoping someday Onir will make money as well as get some awards. And meanwhile, thank you so much for listening to me and for inviting me here tonight. Thank you.
And thank you for being exactly what we know you to be on screen. Always bubbly and vivacious, and I hope that lasts forever. Thank you very much. Juhi Chawla, everyone.